Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get gingerbreads fast. Begin by measuring ingredients precisely and lining a baking sheet to save time. Use room temperature butter for quicker creaming and a mixer to finish the dough in minutes. Roll between parchment for fast cleanup, then chill just long enough to firm the dough for cutting. Keep cutters ready and bake in batches to maintain consistent shapes and timing for a smooth workflow. Want faster shaping without sloppy edges? Prep cutters and a guide ring rolling pin to keep thickness uniform, which reduces bake time guessing. Cut as many shapes as will fit and stack cutouts on a spatula for quick transfer. Limit re-rolling to preserve dough texture and to avoid excess handling. If you need decoration, pipe simple lines or dots right after baking while cookies are slightly warm for faster adhesion. To shave minutes in the oven, preheat thoroughly and use parchment to speed removal and cleanup. Bake similar-sized cutters together and rotate trays once for even color and texture. If your oven has a convection setting, use it to shorten bake time and keep edges crisp without burning centers. Cool on a rack briefly, then finish decorations while cookies are warm so icing sets quicker and you can pack or serve sooner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.